Alright, another little update on the little 72 Nova. The little 307 that could. Got it all plumbed up. We're going to see if she can start. She might do something. Got a little gas can. Y'all know I work on simplicities, so I got my little metal gas can ran in. We did sand the points. Threw a little Deca battery in it. Put a carburetor kit in it, just for giggles. And we got some coolant in it. Scooped around a little bit. I did get a set of bucket seats. Need to be recovered. I also need to get seat brackets. We'll do it. Ended up getting a gauge cluster. Got it in there. Put the shifter arm, a shifter arm back on it. It works. Let's see if we can't. See if she'll start. Hopefully we won't do anything else. She's smoking. But she's running. Tons of exhaust leaks, I think. Sounds like a bulldozer or tractor. Ooh, she's chicky too. She might have a flat lobe on a cam. Oh, it's skipping. It got a little skip in there. Got biscuit, I think, on this side is gone. Yeah, it's biscuit. She's fumigating. She runs up. Tire steering, let's see if that works. Oh yeah, she's easy to turn. One finger. Oh, dang, alternator's not even lifted up. See if it goes backwards or forward. The biggest test of them all. It goes, but it's slow to go. That transmission might force reverse out of it. There it goes. He's trying. I mean, there it goes. Transmission is going to be going through too. It works, but not the best. All right, but the switch works too now. That switch was really janky. It starts right up. Can't believe it. I mean, sitting since 1985 is what it's got right there. Virginia 1985 on it. So stay tuned. I'm going to stick another 350, the 2-bolt, the hot performance motor in it. I got another turbo 350 hanging out up there at the house. We'll throw in it just to get her so I can dink around, goof off. Ooh, front Crank seal looks like it's leaking. See it down there? Ooh, she's leaking some oil up there too. She's still leaking a little bit of oil over here. Making a mess. Well, I mean, it is a numbers matching motor. You know, something parked it. One of these might be the reason why. Stay tuned. Little bitty Chevy that could. Thank you for watching.